Hey guys, so for today's video, I am doing my annual prom video on my channel. Also, if you're looking at my nails, please don't. I need to get them done. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing my annual prom video on my channel. As you guys know, I'm retired. So I just do these for you guys so that you guys can kind of like grasp an idea on what I would do if I had like another prom this year. Then this is probably the look that I'm gonna go for. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you haven't yet, do subscribe to my channel for more videos every week, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, so to get started, I'm using my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, and this is really nice to keep my face super moisturized and hydrated throughout the day, and this is also going to help lather my foundation a lot smoother on my skin. So then I'm also using my Fenty Beauty Primer, and this is amazing, so I've been using it like crazy lately. Moving on to the eyes, I am starting off with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and concealing any veins that I may have on my eyelids to start off a blank canvas before the eyeshadows pop in. So I'm going to start off with a light brown shadow for my crease area. So I'm basically going to be blending this in on the sockets of my crease, and I'm going to continue and build up the eyeshadow until it is as pigmented as I want it. Here I'm basically taking a deeper brown eyeshadow and focusing that on the outer edges of my crease area and kind of blending some of it in towards the inner part of my crease. So this is basically just going to deepen up the look a little bit without intensifying it too much. And here I'm also taking an even darker brown and really focusing that on the outer edges. And what is a makeup tutorial by Coco without a half-cut crease? Because that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So just grab any concealer that you may have and just cut your crease, girl. Cut thy crease. And then I'm just going to blend in the outer edges just so it blends in seamlessly. I'm taking a nude color, basically an eyelid colored eyeshadow, and applying that on top of where we cut our crease at. For lashes, I'm using Bold is Beautiful by Bold Lashes, and I'm currently obsessed with these right now. They give me that perfect winged and wispy look, so I love them. They're my go-to. And talking about winged, we are also going to be winging out our eyes. So I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and I'm going to be winging out the outer lash line of my eyelids. So just like the outer portion, nothing too drastic, just a little wing. Moving on to the face, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation, because if I do use their primer, I gotta use the foundation as well because they both go so well together. So I'm also going to be color correcting my face because I have a couple acne scars that like to peek through. So I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Green Corrector to, you know, cover up the redness. So I'm going to be blending that in, and then after that I'm also going to be adding more of the foundation to cover up my whole face. I'm also using the Fenty Beauty Concealer and Contour Stick to highlight and contour my face today. I don't know why, but it always gives me that like airbrush look, so I would want that for any event that I go to. And plus, like, these products like melt on my skin. This is not sponsored, but like I just wanted to, you know, express how I feel about them. So moving on, I'm also going to be baking underneath my eyes with a Sacha ButterCup powder. Everything will be down below, by the way. I don't know the names of these products on the top of my head, but by the way, this is probably the best brush that I've ever used to contour my face, and it is from e.l.f. I'm gonna try and put the name down below, but it is like so amazing to contour my face, especially for cream contour. It blends it super seamlessly. I am in love. And also I spritz a little bit of MAC Fix Plus to do the blending a lot easier. I'm setting my contour with a contour powder, so you know, gotta always set everything. I'm also going to be applying some blush, and this is more of a nude blush. It's not really a colored one. So I'm going to be using the Iconic London Liquid Illuminator. I don't know what shade it is called, but again, it'll be down below. I'm going to be patting that in with a beauty blender for a more natural looking glow, spritzing some Urban Decay All-Nighter spray, and here I'm using my Fenty Beauty lip color in I don't know what shade. So that was everything for the makeup look. Moving on to the hair. I'm sorry that my hair looks a lot more greasier here because I actually tried to do a wet hair look prior to filming this, so my hair is not usually this greasy, guys. But anyways, I'm first going to be sectioning out a little section to act as my bangs. So with the rest of my hair, I'm basically going to tie it in a ponytail. And also, I didn't get to show you guys because I already have so much gel on my hair right now, but you need some gel to kind of get that sleek, you know, ponytail look. So you want to make sure that you have some gel with you. I do recommend the Eco Styling Gel. That's the one that I use. Now, what we're going to be doing with this little section is we're going to sweep it to the side. It's basically going to be like a side swept ponytail look. So we're going to use this to kind of sweep it to the side, and again, you want to apply some gel enough to like keep it sturdy and like there, you know. Now obviously this part is optional if you already have long hair, but since I have really short hair, I am clipping in some ponytail extensions from Luxury Princess to make my hair appear a lot longer, and then I'm going to be straightening my hair as well to make it all sleek and straight and all good. Then I'm taking my gel and using my spoolie, I'm going to be rubbing that on my baby hairs to kind of lay them flat on my head to make my hairstyle look a lot sleeker. So Windsor is giving away 100 prom dresses through their Cinderella project, and the winners will be getting a $150 gift card. And you could also click the link down below for more details and on how to enter. You can also use my coupon code Koleen for 20% off, and the code is only valid for a week.
Say